In today's video, I'm wanting to teach you how to make a restaurant website in Google Sites. We'll be using Google Sites to quickly build a clean, simple restaurant website without needing any coding. This is a great option if you want something fast, easy to update, and professional looking. Google Sites also gives you a straightforward editor, so it's beginner friendly and perfect for putting together a restaurant homepage, menu section, location details, and more. To get started, open Google Sites. Once you're there, you'll be taken to the page where you can create a new site. This is the main starting point for building your website. And from here, you can decide whether you want to design everything yourself or begin with a ready-made layout. If you want full control and prefer to build your restaurant website from scratch, click on Blank Site. This option gives you an empty canvas, which is useful if you already have a clear idea of how you want the site to look. Starting with a blank site can take a little more time, but it lets you customize every section exactly the way you want. Another option is to click on Template Gallery. This is a helpful shortcut if you want a more polished starting point. Templates can save time because they already include a structure and design that you can adapt to your restaurant. If you're not sure how to arrange your content, this is often the easier route. Inside the Template Gallery, click on Restaurant. This template is designed specifically for food-related businesses, so it already gives you a layout that fits a restaurant website well. You may see sections that are useful for showcasing your dishes, sharing your story, highlighting your hours, or making it easier for visitors to find key information. Choosing a relevant template helps you get up and running much faster. After that, simply edit the site. Replace the sample content with your own restaurant information and adjust the design to match your brand. As you edit, keep your text clear and easy to read. Use high-quality food images if possible, and make sure the most important details are easy to find. For example, visitors usually want quick access to your menu, location, opening hours, and contact information. Take a little time to review each section so the site feels consistent and complete. Google Sites makes it easy to click into text, images, and layouts to update them, so you can keep refining the page until it feels right. And that's it. That's how to make a restaurant website in Google Sites quickly and easily.